Ever woken up with an uncomfortable, bloated feeling in your tummy, or perhaps an unwelcome bout of gas? No need to worry. There's a simple, natural solution right at your fingertips. Picture this: a pot of hot water, a handful of fennel seeds, and the promise of relief. Begin by tossing a few fennel seeds into your chosen pot of hot water. Allow it to simmer gently on a low temperature for a span of 5 minutes. As the minutes tick by, the fennel seeds release their beneficial properties into the water, creating a potent healing concoction. Once the 5 minutes are up, take the pot off the heat. The next step is to strain the solution. This leaves you with a clear, warm liquid, ready to soothe your troubled stomach. Sip on this homemade remedy and feel the discomfort slowly ebb away. But what if the taste of fennel isn't to your liking? Fear not. There's an alternative. If your palate can bear it, try chewing on the fresh, leafy parts of the fennel plant. While it might be a bit strong for some, it's just as effective in delivering relief from bloating and gas. For those seeking a more flavorful remedy, consider this: a mixture of fennel seeds, cardamom, and mint leaves. These three ingredients, known for their digestive benefits, make a powerful trio. Boil them together in water to create a delicious, healing concoction. Not only does it help with stomach gas, but it also leaves you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So, to recap, we have 3 natural and effective home remedies for gas and bloating. First, a simple fennel seed infusion made by boiling the seeds in hot water for 5 minutes and straining the solution. Second, chewing on fresh fennel leaves if you can bear the taste. And third, a flavorful concoction made by boiling fennel seeds, cardamom, and mint leaves together. These remedies are not only cost-effective but also easy to prepare. So, the next time you're bothered by a bloated stomach or excessive gas, remember these solutions. They're your ticket to quick, natural relief.